Mike, Jill Auerbach. Jill.
Hello and thank you. We need gold standards serology for all tick-borne diseases. 2, we need cures to suffering. 3, tick research to stop ticks and disease. 4th, funding commensurate with tick-borne diseases. The last 2 we need to accomplish. All of us have a dire need to include tick research as a critical part of the solution being derived by this work group, yet no tick scientist was included. The ability for the HHS secretary to include that is stated in section 2062, quote, other individuals whose expertise is determined by the secretary to be financial to the functioning of the working group, end quote. What we have is a huge environmental tick problem, which was first noticed in the Connecticut area. It has been allowed to spread unabated for 44 years because of the lack of government funding and attention. Lyme is now in about 50% of the counties in the United States. That's not including the other tick pathogens and tick species. All have increased and spread like wildfire. The societal cost of Lyme disease alone is about $3 billion, while NIH funding is only about $24 million and CDC about $10 million a year. Does this make any sense? Ticks and mosquito vectors infect us with voracious pathogens. In the US, tick-borne disease outnumbers mosquito disease by about 80 to 1, but funding is in the reverse. Until the tick population is reduced and the tick ability is blocked from being able to transmit pathogens, the scourge of Lyme and other tick-borne diseases will continue to march across the USA, infecting, reinfecting, and co-infecting us, our children, our pets, and the critters that spread them. We must protect our future generations. These children should not be getting sick. The problem has grown way beyond just one disease, and other fatal hemorrhagic and encephalopathic tick-borne diseases are certain to reach our shores. A patch for Lyme disease is not a solution for the environment. Tick research scientists hold the most potential to bring about fruitful solutions. About 40 prestigious scientists joined Tick Research to Eliminate Disease Scientist Coalition, TREAD, in support of what I've said. That should be enough to convince everyone of the critical importance of this long-neglected field. Just one example, transgenic mosquito research is making great strides. I ask, why hasn't there been any transgenic research on ticks started? I urge the Secretary to add tick scientists to this work group and challenge you to include this as a critical part of your discussions. The time is now. I add 2 quick items. Disturbing is that missing is Stephen Weichel, tick researcher, and a basic scientist such as Monica Embers. You must discuss a stopgap measure, which could be Nucatone. Food grade to humans, kills mosquitoes and ticks, but not honeybees. CDC testing demonstrated that a soap wash caused infected ticks to drop off of mice, killing 85% of them. No mice were infected. Since most tick-borne pathogens transmit in over 12 hours, a simple nightly shower or bath could prevent many diseases. Simple, safe, inexpensive. Better than tick checks. By the way, it's being funded by the CDC for mosquitoes. Thank you very much for your attention.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Jill.